Deliveries to remote or hard-to-reach areas have always been complex, costly, and risky. Today, a new possibility takes shape. Introducing FlyingBasket FB3, a heavy-lift cargo drone built for vertical transport and efficient logistics, with a payload capacity of up to 100 kilograms. FB3 redefines aerial delivery. It reaches a cruise speed of 22 meters per second, operates at altitudes of up to 5,000 meters, and covers a range of 25 kilometers. Compact and easy to transport, it can be deployed quickly wherever logistics demand it. Engineered for demanding environments, FB3 ensures safe operations in the rain and across challenging terrain. Its robust aerospace-grade aluminum airframe is designed for durability and ease of maintenance. Two flexible payload modes adapt to every mission. Sling mode, with ropes from 9 to 50 meters for heavy external loads. Cargo box mode, for secure and protected deliveries. With 8 motors, 4 independent battery packs, redundant propulsion and avionics, FB3 guarantees reliability, even in the case of component failure. Dual camera system, front-facing for navigation and downward-facing for payload monitoring, provides precision and situational awareness. The ground control station allows both manual and automatic flights within visual line of sight or beyond visual line of sight. Equipped with encrypted RF links and 4G connectivity. FB3 enables seamless communication and control without any limitations with regards to distance. Safety is at the core of its design. An enhanced containment system, ADS-B receiver, and radar altitude sensor ensure secure operations and minimizing single-point failures. FlyingBasket's FB3, powerful, versatile, and safe, with the extraordinary ability to lift up to 100 kilograms and unlock new horizons for aerial logistics.